Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Ninja Grill and Smoker, FlexFlame, Electric and Propane Grill, Roaster, BBQ Grill, 5-in-1 cooking system. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: 5-in-1, grill, smoke, roast, griddle, and make perfect pizzas. Sold separately. CYCLONICEAT-iQ, faster, even cooking, easier to use, and more flavor. vs Weber. Cyclonic fan, high-velocity convection fan evenly circulates heat and air around food. Precision burner control, dial in and maintain an exact temperature from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Plug into power, requires a 3-prong outdoor extension cord and 20 pounds propane tank. QUICKCRISP roaster, even browning and crisping on the outside and juicy, tender meat on the inside up to 35% faster. vs Traeger Pro 780. Complete your cooking system, create 16-inch pizzas in as little as 5 minutes with the Artisan Pizza Stone, or prepare your griddled favorites with even edge-to-edge heat on the premium half or full griddle plates. Accessories sold separately. Plug into power, electricity powers the technology and propane brings the heat. Requires a 3-prong outdoor extension cord and 20-pound propane tank, not included. Meet the Ninja FlexFlame outdoor cooking system, the all-in-one revolutionary appliance that allows you to cook 5 unique ways with zero compromises: grill, smoke, roast, griddle, and make perfect pizzas all in one outdoor system. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.